It's like I always say, when you know what's going in, you know what's coming out.
Oh, and we wish you would stop saying that.
My flavor buds crave the excitement.
Don't worry. All we need is a little fire!
Hot sauce?
That's right. When things get boring, you gotta spice them up. Oh, yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
Let me in on that.
Coming at ya!
It's like my tongue was in a deep sleep and a spicy prince came and kissed it back to life.
Ooh, let me try! Now I see all that was hidden! The truth of life is revealed!
Spicy.
Ah! You're ruining the meal and your lives.
Come on, bro. Get spicy with us!
Ah!